Hello and welcome to the lecture. So, in this lecture, we will be studying about Lewis acid and base. So, in the previous lecture, we have studied about acid-base concepts. So, in the previous lecture we have studied about Arrhenius theory of acid and bases, and we have also studied about Bronsted-Lowry concept of acid and bases. So, and in that lecture we have also studied about what actually conjugate acid and conjugate base pairs are. Now here in this lecture we will be studying a new concept of acid and base, and that concept is called as Lewis acid base concept. Now the definition of acid according to Lewis is that an acid is a substance which accepts an electron pair, which is an electron pair acceptor. So, Lewis acid is that substance which accepts an electron pair, and a Lewis base is that substance which donates an electron pair to another substance. So, it means generally the Lewis acid, so this is Lewis acid definition, and this is for Lewis base. Generally, Lewis acid, it is represented as A, and Lewis base, it is represented as B. Now, since Lewis acid, it is an electron pair acceptor, it means that those substances which will accept electron, it means that they should be electron deficient. Substances. So, and we know that those substances which are electron deficient, they are also called as nucleophile. They are also called as electrophiles. So it means that Lewis acids, they are electrophilic in nature. That is, electrophiles, these are the substances which are electron loving species, So Lewis acids, they are electrophiles in nature, and they are electron deficient in nature. Now we have Lewis bases. So Lewis base, they are electron pair donors. It means that they will have high electron deficient. They have high electron density. It means that those substances which are having high electron density, they are also called as nucleophiles. So in nutshell, we have here Lewis acids, and we have here Lewis bases. And Lewis acids, they are electron deficient. It means that they are also called as electrophiles. And Lewis base, they have high electron density. And they are also called as nucleophiles. So this was a general introduction of Lewis acid base concept. Now, so Lewis base, they are denoted by B, and usually an electron pair like this is denoted to represent the Lewis base. Now here we have another thing. Another thing is that, so whenever we have A, this is Lewis acid, and we have B, this is Lewis base. Whenever these two react, what happens is that adductor formation takes place. Like this. So this electron, it is donated towards B. So as a result of which an adductor formation will take place, and this adductor formation, it is represented by this type of bond, and this special type of bond, as we know, it is called as covalent, it is called as coordinate bond. This is called as coordinate bond, or this is also called as dative bond. Now here what happens is that since adductor for this is when acid and Lewis acid and Lewis base, they usually form an adduct. So this is Lewis acid which accepts electron pair from Lewis base. So this pair of electron, it is donated towards A, as a result of which an adductor formation occurs. So this adductor formation, it is this type of representation, or this type of bond where a single species donates both of its electron, that is called as coordinate bond or dative bond. So here the two electron pairs, they are supplied by the base. So this is the formation of adduct. Now we will take a general example how formation of adduct, it is represented by how adduct formation, it occurs in chemical species. Now suppose we have a compound like this. We have boron halides, boron trihalides, BX3, and plus we have ammonia. Now as we know that ammonia, it contains a lone pair of electron. Now here what happens, suppose since boron, it is BX3, it is an electron deficient compound. It is electron deficient in nature. So let us understand this with a specific example. Suppose we have BF3 molecule. Now this boron trihalide, now as we know that boron, it is highly electronegativity. It possesses high electronegativity in nature. Now as a result of which, because of high electronegativity, boron fluorine, what it does, it attracts these lone pair of electron towards itself, here also like this. As a result, it becomes deficient